Nature has always been a source of healing and rejuvenation. And within nature, there is a sacred plant, Tulasi, which has been used for centuries to improve health and well-being. Introducing Vestige Indigo Health Drops Panch Tulsi Ark, a powerful blend of Rama Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, Vana Tulsi, Kapoor Tulsi and Shukla Tulsi. Scientifically proven benefits that are helpful for physical and mental well-being. Our carefully curated varieties of 5 Tulsis will alleviate your respiratory issues, improve immunity and reduce stress and anxiety. These are also excellent for heart health and help manage diabetes. Simply add a few drops to water or your favorite beverage and experience the benefits of this ancient herb. Try Vestige Panch Tulsi Ark anytime and anywhere to see the difference it can make in your life. Nature's medicine in every drop.